Hello everyone and welcome back to MixBuzzTV mixing and mastering tutorials on YouTube. I just received this box from my friends at KMR Audio. There's some unit inside that they sent me to try. I don't know what's inside, so let's open the box and let's see what it is. It should be interesting. I know it's a brand new unit. Oh, that is sweet. It is definitely something from Bettermaker, and I'm really happy about it because I never tried anything from them, and I love their approach to hardware that it can be controlled via plugin for recalling your settings. So this is the USB cable that is inside, and this is gonna be either their EQ, most likely, or if you're lucky, we are gonna have oh yeah, their brand new compressor. Now that is beautiful in person. That is so pretty to look at. Wow, I have to be honest, I never really liked the pictures of Bettermaker modules, but in person they are so well done and so classy looking. So this is the Bettermaker new C502V compressor, and the only thing that I know about this compressor is that is a 3-in-1 compressor. It has a mastering grade, very transparent mode. It has a VCA British inspired mode, which is SSL-like, and a DBX compressor mode. So this is going to be very interesting to try. A quick look at the controls first. We have the modes here: attack, mix knob, threshold, and gain knob. Then we have the ratios here and the sidechain, internal sidechain, and these are probably the presets and the link mode. You can run it in dual mono or mid-side with different settings for the mid and the side, which is going to be very interesting. The USB port on the front. So yeah, stay tuned for a test drive of the new Bettermaker C502V compressor. 3 compressors in one. And I can tell you one thing, stay tuned for the review video because I'm gonna have a surprise for you guys. So stay tuned, click the like button if you like this video, and see you next time.